there! Let's make sure your spring break is memorable for all the right reasons, okay?
You've got the perfect trip planned. But you know what ruins a vacation fast? A headache.
So why do headaches often crash the party right when you're supposed to be relaxing? Let's find out.
A pain-free trip starts with a little prep work before you even pack your bags.
Here's a quick but powerful checklist to get you started on the right foot.
All right, let's talk about travel day itself. It has its own unique challenges, for sure. Get this, airplane cabin humidity can drop to just 2%. That is incredibly dry and dehydrating.
What's wild is that dehydration can actually cause your brain to shrink a bit, hitting those pain receptors.
So how do you fight it? You've got to have a solid hydration strategy while you're in the air.
And it's not just about water. Certain foods can actually help your body hold on to hydration.
Okay, you've made it. Now let's talk about how to feel great while you're there.
Your brain just loves routine, so try to keep your sleep and meal times pretty consistent.
Now, if you're heading for high altitude, you're going to need a whole different game plan.
Altitude headaches can kick in around 8,500 feet, and they affect about 1 in 4 people. Just follow these simple steps. It's all about giving your body time to adjust safely.
You know that headache you get the second you finally relax? Yep, there's a real reason for that. It's called a letdown headache, and it is one of the most common vacation triggers out there.
Your body basically gets hormonal whiplash when those stress levels suddenly plummet. No joke, your risk of a migraine can actually jump 5 times higher right after stress drops.
The key is to ease out of your stress, not just stop cold. This avoids that sudden drop.
So the big takeaway here, consistency and routine are honestly your best defense. Let's recap. Here's your game plan for an amazing, rejuvenating, and headache-free vacation.
And a final thought for you. How can you bring these healthy habits from your trip back home?